Hello, Bart. This is Elon Musk. Your satellite is ready. Are you kidding me? Yes, just kidding. I'm a real prankster. Oh, golly. Thanks a lot, Elon. One of these days, I know I'm going to get a call from Elon and he's going to tell me finally that my Starlink satellite internet service is ready to go. I've been on the waiting list for like over a year. How many? Would you finally name a new CEO for Twitter so you can get back to making my satellites? Speaking of Elon Musk, let's look at the Tesla. Checking out the Tesla. It's down today. Let's see. Over $3 bills, $3.23. And look at this. Let's see. Most recently, it was up at 189.55, and that was just when? Was that yesterday? No. Yeah. Wait, that's today. What? It opened at almost 190, went all the way down to 180, 192. That's the, of course, nail biting issue that I have with Tesla. It's volatility. It loves to move up and down and all around, doesn't it? And whoa, what day was that? March 31st. So just on March 31st, they're at 207.48. I believe they have earnings next week. Take a look at the Tesla. Take a look at the Tesla. I was actually looking to buy a Tesla before I bought my Mazda CX-5. I went on the app, was clicking around, was trying to order one up. And this was, let's see, when did I buy that Mazda? It was last May. So it's coming up on a year. So last May of 2022, I was clicking around on the app and I'm like, I'm just going to get one of these Teslas because it would be so much fun to not go to a gas station, to not have my oil changed, all the good stuff that comes with owning a Tesla. And the app was like, oh, thank you, but your wait is going to be 6 months. And I was like, I can't wait 6 months. Maya Coco took over my 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee, my GRFM, the Get Rich First Mobile, much to my chagrin. I mean, she had a perfectly good 2012 Chevy Cobalt. Yeah, it had a lot of rust. Big deal. It may have ran like a top and looked like a bottom. But it was a perfectly good car. And lady was like, she's not going to be driving back and forth to Purdue in that Cobalt. So next thing I know, she's driving my Grand Cherokee. And I did a old switcheroo and bought a Mazda CX-5. And now we have two. Lady drives one and I drive one. They are amazing cars, like midsize SUV car of the year, 9 out of the last 10 years. Okay, what were you talking about? Tesla, that's right. The Tesla. What are the guys over there at the Seeking Alpha say? The analysts are saying hold it. Wall Street's saying it's a buy. The propeller heads, the quantitative reasoning robots are saying it's a hold as well. But that doesn't mean it's not a candidate for selling put options. Let's look. I think earnings is next week. It's a dangerous play, Bart. Should you even be doing it? 419. Is that next week? Yeah, that's next week because today is the 12th, right? Is that so? Yeah, a week from today. A week from today, Tesla will announce their earnings. We got earnings per share estimate of 85 cents with the general accepted accounting principles and practices 75 cents, and then revenue at 23.3 billion, which would be a lower estimate than last quarter's actual of 24.32 billion, and they had beat that estimate by 17.2 milli. So what do you think? Zach seems to do a decent job in predicting earnings, and they're saying they're going to beat by 1 penny. So they're saying, wait, where were we? Yeah, where were you? Where are you? Sorry, my phone was ringing. My cell phone was buzzing and I got distracted. Very simple. Happens all the time to me. So they're saying that they should come in at 86 cents with the 85 estimate. So I was thinking, let's take a look at those options and see what's up. So let's trade Tesla options, sell, put. I haven't been involved in Tesla in a while, probably 2 months. But I wanted to get pretty conservative. I want to go 30 days out just to see how conservative I can get and still catch maybe, I don't know, 18% annualized. Is that a possibility? Oh yeah, looks like it's super possible. In fact, let's break it down. Let's go down to 16 days, start there. April 28th. April 28th, 16 days out from today. Sell put, rolling on down here to some conservative numbers. Try to be at, for this volatile and risky of trade, because it is a stock that could move dramatically in one day, especially that this trade will be through their earnings. They'll report their earnings, which could be, it can shoot up, it could skyrocket up, or it could blast down, it could go sideways. We have no idea, because they could come in, beat on both ends, on the top and bottom, the earnings per share and the revenue, but they can have a little bit of a gray outlook. They could have a gray thought for the rest of the year, which I doubt Elon would. You know how he rolls. He's pretty manipulative when it comes to these analysts, which is kind of funny. I like Elon. I don't know if you do, but I do like him. He is a kook. He's for sure a kook, but I do like him. So, what can we do? How conservative can we go? Do you want to go all the way down here to 155? 155. What is that number? Is that going to put us? That's got to put us plus 20%, right? 181 divided by 155. Okay, and then we'll divide it by the number of days, 16 days, and then we'll multiply it by 365, our Fantasyland math, 26.6%. Pretty big spread, though. Still decent amount of premium can be collected right between these two strikes. So let's try that one. So that's okay, 26.6%. Let's look at the next strike up, 217 divided by 157.50. Okay, equals 1.3% divided by the 16 days multiplied by the 365 is at 31.4. And what are we at? We're at an 84% probability of profit, a delta of 14 on Tesla, who we feel, me, you, and Zach Morris, Screech, and Slater over there at Zach's.com. I think we feel like they're going to beat on their earnings. So that stock will likely go up. But again, this is just basically a guess. It's a guess going from what our gut feels. The market sometimes, regardless of what our gut feels, just goes dramatically against us. So let's see here. Can we collect? Yeah, we could definitely get 221. I bet we can get 222. Can we get 222 on this cash secured put? Okay, and it would be a collateral of $15,750 bills. Let's put more on the table. Whoa, the gambler. You like Kenny Rogers. Yeah, nope, I can't do that. I will not do the 666 credit. I will not. So let's try to get a little different credit there. 669. Hey, I don't have to even hit the rim shot. But boom, to tell you that that's a better number. So let's review that. Now we're looking at $47,250 in collateral, and that filled for $672 bills. So let's do the math and see where we're at here. Okay, all right. $672 divided by the collateral of $47,250, and we get 1.4% in 16 days divided by 16 multiplied by 365, and we end up with 32.4% annualized on our collateral, a fairly conservative put selling spree. 3 of those contracts filled, $672 into our pockets. And you know what we'll do, like in the next few days or on earnings date, a week from today, we very well may be closing that at a nice profit. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. Thanks for keeping an eye on me over here at the Wealth Snowball. Subscribe, like, comment, click on the notification bell. My phone is making noises, so I'm going to have to attend to some sort of real estate business, I'm sure. And I will see you in the next video.